Hi guys, hope you've all been well. Sorry I've been away for a bit, just tried to, you know, keep hold of the pennies and save a bit. But I'm back today with a quick unboxing. I've seen this item around for quite a bit on Instagram, YouTube. A lot of the bloggers that I watch have been purchasing this item, and I've given in to the latest trend as usual. So I ordered from this site on Bank Holiday Monday. It came in this box, a small box. Let's see if you can guess what it is. So ordered on Bank Holiday Monday around 9 p.m. And it arrived complimentary delivery on Wednesday, but I missed the delivery, so I think I finally got it on Thursday, and today's Sunday. It's been sitting down waiting for me to open it with you guys. So yeah, let's open it up. Let's have a look. So if I can try and open it for you on screen so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so try and hide my address as well. So it's come, nicely securely packaged up. No one's getting into this without a fight. Let's have a look here. I wonder if you've all guessed what it is yet. A little sneaky peek of the box in there. So, really cute. Okay, so this is the item, or the box even. You can see that. So, okay, let me put it down and bring everything up individually. So, oh gosh, sorry. Bit of light exposure there. Seeing all my pores. Okay, so this is the envelope, if you can see that. There you go. It's a Gucci item, clearly. So we'll get back to that one later on. What you all want to be seeing, what I want to see, is the box. So there you go. Really cute. This will be my first Gucci item. Really cute box. I did actually need one of these accessories. It's an accessory, guys. I did actually need one of these accessories. I have another brand around somewhere which is getting a bit tatty now, so I thought I would buy one of these. So it's got the nice ivory box with the black border. Really nice sturdy box, and the Gucci on the ribbon going down. Okay, so let's open this up. Towards you to the side for a bit. Okay, see if we can open this as ladylike as possible. Ooh. There you go. So we'll get into the specifics about the item in a second, but comes in this really cute silky bag. Have you all guessed what it is yet? Oh, smell. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so it is the Gucci belt with the black pebbled leather. It's in the size 95. Yeah, 95. It's been a long few months. Yeah, it says 95 there. I don't know if you can see that. 95, 88. Gorgeous belt. So what I'll do is I'm going to try it on and come back to you. Actually, no, let me tell you the specifics first. So it's the 95 in the length, and it's the 4 centimeters in the width. Comes with 5 holes there, and it's actually the men's belt, because the ladies' belts were okay. So price wise, the men's belt is £270. Although they do have the very smooth leather that you've probably seen a lot of on Instagram and YouTube. They do have that in the men's, and I think that's about £380. But I went for this one because so first I went into the flagship store in Old Bond Street last weekend, bank holiday weekend, to have a look at the belt. So there was a line outside, and they take you in ask you what it is you need and take you downstairs to the basement where the accessories are. And I had the chance there to have a look at the leather, feel it, try it on, see the size. This also comes in different sizes, and see which one I actually liked and wanted. But they didn't have this 95 in stock. So, you know, the attendant suggested I go to the website, buy it there. It would come with complimentary delivery within a few days, and that's what I did. Now, this is actually rather big, it's quite large, but I did have a look at it, as I said, in store, and I figured because of my size and height, it would suit me a lot more. Now, I don't actually wear gold jewellery. I can swap in between the two, but I tend to wear a lot more, you know, silver, my Pandora there, my watch, my silver earrings, my necklace. So but I don't see the issue with mixing your metals, because why not? You know, there's a lot of gold jewelry out there that I like. A lot of my bags have the brass hardware, gold hardware. So I wouldn't change my jewelry just to match my accessories. I think you can swap in between the two. So yeah, really, really gorgeous belt there. Let me see if I can find out if there are any more specifics. I'm just gonna log into the website. So yeah, so this is according to the Gucci website, it's the calf skin leather belt, which is heat stamped to achieve a boar effect. So as I said, opposed to the smoother leather, this has like an embossed sort of feature, which I found to be a lot more thicker, and what I feel is more durable, will be more durable, you know, according to the way I wear my belts. Also, the men's belt has this, the end of the buckle, if you like, the end of the belt has this pointy finish, whereas the smoother belt in the men's and the women's, it's rounded off, so it looks a lot maybe more sleek. And I think the idea is that you can wear this on the waist as well. I don't tend to wear belts on the waist anymore. I used to a few years back, but I don't anymore. So for me, that won't make any difference. But you can actually buy them smaller, possibly, or add more holes to them so that you can wear it high up on your waist and lower down where your trousers sit on your hips. But as I said, I don't really wear my jeans like that, so that won't be an issue for me. I did actually find on YouTube that a lot of people were saying that they couldn't fit the belt through the trouser loops because of the size. But I'm trying it on right now for the first time with you guys. Oh gosh. And I mean, I wear River Island jeans. They fit. Let's stand up a little bit. It's actually perfect. It's a perfect fit. Fasten it on there. So it sort of hooks through the back and through the loop there, and then you sort of use that bit there to puncture through one of the holes. Actually don't, oh no, perfect. I'll tighten it up when I'm ready to wear it, but it's actually quite a good fit, I would say. Oh, I like that. Very nice. Very nice. So, yeah, that's the Gucci belt in the men's size 95 with the boar effect. Heat stamped belt with the boar effect. There you go. That came in at £270. I did actually have a look around Harrods, I think Selfridges, Net a Porter. There was one other place, I can't remember the name, but just for various loyalty discounts or discount codes, you know, around bank holiday weekend, there was nothing that could have been applied to the belt. Also in store, you couldn't apply certain items, and then obviously this belt was one of them. I did actually find that they didn't have any in stock in Harrods or in Selfridges. Online they did, but it was with the belts they had were, you know, out of season colours maybe, or not as popular colours. So they had navy, they had brown, and not the full leather belt either. Actually, they had the Gucci, traditional Gucci stripes, and that's what they had in store. So if you wanted to get this in London, you'd have to go to the Old Bond Street even, Old Bond Street flagship store, to purchase this. I actually just seen that there are a few scratches on the buckle, but maybe that's just because I'm being picky. I think it is supposed to have, you know, a tarnished look, which it does, but there are just a few, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but a few very small scratches on, and there's a bit of a sticky substance maybe there on the belt. I don't know again if you can see that. So anyway, I will have a look at it and give it a closer inspection. It may end up going back for me to get a perfect belt. I think when you're spending this much money on an accessory, you want it to be perfect. So I'll have another look at it and possibly send it back and buy again. But for now, loving the belt. Beautiful. All right. For now, I'll speak to you guys again soon. I'll have another video up as soon as possible. And that's all. Take care. Bye.